Hello everyone. Today I will show you how you can type emojis in your Windows. Whenever you write something from the keyboard, you will not get any option to write emojis. So what's the solution? What you need to do? You have to go and right click on your taskbar. Then here you see there is an option show touch keyboard button. Click it, and now in the below you will get a keyboard icon. Click it, you will get your keyboard on the screen from where you can type. And here you also get a emoji section from where you also type your emojis. There is another method to type emojis. What you need to do, just press window and full stop key on your keyboard. So I am showing you again, just press window and full stop key. You will get your emojis. From here you can type your emojis. I hope you will get an idea how to type an emoji. If the video is informative for you, just press the like button. Thank you.